Okay, this is Orlando Wilson, and what I want to talk about in this video is something which is a major issue in the close protection world, commercial close protection world. It's what are you going to do if your client, be it male or female, go out to bars, nightclubs, etc., or picks up boyfriends, girlfriends online, decides to bring them home. It's a major security issue, right? But people do it. Now, I've been in this business now, close protection business, security business, for over 30 years. So what I talk about is from experience. And what I'm trying to do with these videos is prepare people, and also give you options of how to deal with difficult situations. Now, clients are normal. They're going to have private lives. They're going to want to go and have sex, same as everybody else. How they do it, in some cases you have to be very, very careful that the client's not putting themselves at too much risk. But the thing is, they're the client, and if they want to go out to bars and nightclubs and pick up people to sleep with, be it casual, be it long-term relationship wise, they're going to do it. If you don't like it, find a new client. All you can do in these situations is try and educate the client as much as possible. If you don't like the client's lifestyle, then you shouldn't be with them. Educate the client to the risks of picking up strangers. If they're high profile, this opens up the risk of extortion, blackmail, etc. Well, the client is bringing strangers into their house. That can also jeopardize security, give away security plans, give away layouts of the house, give away where the valuables are, etc. So it shouldn't be done. Classic example of that type of thing was when the Secret Service agents in Cartagena took prostitutes back to the hotel room, where their computers, plans, weapons were, etc. That's about the same where clients decide to take people back to their apartments to have sex with. You know what? I don't judge people. We can't. What goes on between consenting adults is up to them. Clients are normal like everybody else. If you've got the client that's doing that, all I can say is educate them. If they're open to being educated, I'd recommend that they take their partners to hotels, third-party locations, and not back to their residences. Try in some way to identify the person they're with. Okay, snap a picture. Make a note of where they met them. Try and get some identification. This is a big one. If you think the person the client's with could be underage, I think you'd have to step in and try to identify the real age of the person they're trying to sleep with, because that could bring them major issues. But try and identify, whichever way possible, who the person is. The general rule these days is one night stands are a big no-no, but people are still stupid enough to go and do it. And if your client's paying the bills, they get drunk and horny or whatever, you're going to have problems. So pre-education's better. If they're going to go out and do that type of thing, try and work out some SOPs with the client, so at least you can try and identify the person they're going to be sleeping with, and try and have a third-party location that they can take them to, be it a hotel or somewhere else, a crash pad. But it's a difficult one. I know one guy in one location that I lived for quite a long time, not mentioning South Florida, where his client used to like him to be in the room when he was having sex with the ladies he picked up. The BG was okay with that. I think he just sat there and read a book or played on his phone while the client done whatever he wanted to do, and that was it. But he was happy to do that for that client. Would I have done that? Well, you know what? I usually set strict boundaries with my clients. So if a client asked me to do that, I'd be like, not really. It's not really my thing, but depends how much they're paying, right? Anyway, I have 3 books online specifically to do with close protection, and we're going to be throwing up a lot more videos. We've got a load of videos up already on close protection, kidnap prevention, and personal security. There's going to be more going up. If you've got any questions, if you're connected with me on social media, feel free to reach out to me. Cheers. Stay out of trouble, be good, and make sure your client practices safe sex, whatever they're into.